This is the tutorial on how to merge cells on Microsoft Excel or to combine cells on Microsoft Excel. In this video, I want to explain about a formula on Microsoft Excel to merge cells or to combine cells. So usually we will use the formula of concatenate, and I want to use on this video one formula Microsoft Excel which is called text join. And how to do this? So here we go. Let's do practice about this without choosing cells one by one or to choose cell manually. Here I want to show you about it, about the text join formula, and we will have a data about name of employee, number entry, initials, division, birthday, and job, and also the number identity. So we will have a task here to make the number of identity about this employee, and I want to show you about the formula of merge cells of combined cells. Usually we will use concatenate formula, but okay, I want to show you. You can see on your screen. We'll try example to use concatenate d2 as initials, and then comma, and then dash sign with quotation mark and comma, division, and dash sign with quotation mark to separate the cells, and also division from the number entry, initials, division, and birthday with separations of the sign with quotation mark and also job. Okay, so the number of identity will be made automatically with concatenate formula, and do not forget to drag down to know about this formula without typing one by one. But I think that the process of typing about the each cells will be take so much time with concatenate, and we're gonna use how to decrease this manual process with text join formula of Microsoft Excel. This is the formula, equal to sign and text join, and you can see here the delimiter, and we need to use delimiter sign here, and it's about the connection with space or comma or dash sign, and we will use with dash sign here to make text join as delimiter. So delimiter and then comma, true or false. If you want to use true, we'll ignore empty cells, and false include empty cells. Because we do not have the empty cells, I think that we need to take the true here. Okay, this is ignore empty cells because okay, is it true? Okay, true, comma again, and text 1, text 2, text 3, and etc. Okay, so you can block the text or the cells that you need to fill on this text join formula, because we need to block the number entry until job C and then G. Just block about the cells, and then the formula is finished. And do not forget to close the brackets here. Okay, and then enter, and number identity will automatically appear. We do not need to type one by one manually with text join formula. So it's easy, it's easier, I think, than concatenate a formula. And then we need to track down and then the formula will be copied into the next rows. Okay, text chain has some advantages because we can ignore the empty cells here. If we have some empty cells, I think that with text chain rules or with text chain formula, we can delete about the empty cell. We can ignore about the empty cells. Okay, so for example, we will delete the data on Cesar Kartika birthday. If we delete it, you can see on your screen the number identity of Cesar Kartika will automatically change without birthday, the year of birthday. And also the Doni Pradana is from initials DP, and you can edit everything that you need about the data without changing manually on the results of texture formula. That's the tutorial how to merge cells, how to combine cells with texture in Microsoft Excel, and I think texture uh, will be used to cover the concatenate disadvantages. You can use this formula. Good luck for trying, and bye bye. See you soon in the next video.